Mexico. We're on Route 66. Santa Rosa, New Mexico. And Olga's going up on Route 66. How about that? Next up is camping in Carson National Forest. In northern New Mexico, National Forest camping. Early June, it's about 62 degrees. And Olga's still in shorts, but tonight I'm sure she will be bundling up. Okay, what do you think?
I think it's awesome. I'm looking for a place to work out.
Good. Oh, by the way, we've seen snow up on the mountains.
Oh yeah, it's
not from here, but very close by. There's a ski lodge. Morning rays. Olga's enjoying a cup of coffee. The sun coming up. Jackery has done its job. Produced 532 watts for coffee. And the first morning, it is mountain fresh, maybe in the 40s. But the tent did well. We had the quilt and sleeping bags. Yep. Okay, you finally got me on camera. Somewhere here behind me, there she is, playing in the water. Is it as cold as Lake Superior?
No, nothing is cold.
Okay, so if it's sunny tomorrow, you'll probably see Olga sitting in it. 2 miles down from the campground is Sheepapoo Lodge. There's skiing and the stream runs by on the backside. And we're going to the cafe, see if we can find some coffee. Maybe a little breakfast. I heard hummingbirds flying around and we saw one. Number 2. This is the Carson National Forest, just south of Taos, New Mexico. Taos is over that way. Taos.
Yeah. First time ever. Taos, New Mexico. Wow.
We're headed to the Plaza. It's only about 60 degrees, but the sun is very nice. The air is great. Blue sky. Nice backdrop for all the buildings.
Buildings are cool, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, so you had Spaniards here. You had the Native Americans, Mexicans, and then the American onslaught. It's about 9 a.m. We're a little early for shops, but we'll find a coffee place and enjoy the day. We're in Taos. We tried to go to Taos Pueblo, but it's closed today. No gringos.
No gringos. Post office, Daniel.
Yeah, I saw 62 degrees. breakfast.
This is a pretty part of town. Up from the main crossing, isn't this?
I'm gonna make a turn here through that Plaza.
Oh, a yoga place. Very good. Uh-huh. We walked around here yesterday.
Very scenic.
He waved at us. Yeah.
And several young people stopped and said hi. Take this turn.
Lots of art here.
World Cup, that's a great name for a coffee place.
Mm-hmm. Here it is.
I heard it was under construction, it's renovation.
So, do we know the name of this plaza?
Historic Taos Plaza.
Okay.
I've always been reminded of the Rumi quote. Sometimes these demolitions turn out to be renovations.
Mm-hmm.
It's a strange mix. You have old and you have cultures, and you have new and convoluted. The song we heard this morning said everyone is confused. And after the song was over, it was called Tower of Babel.
Uh-huh. Yeah. It looks a little more alive today than it did yesterday. What day are
Closer
we?
to the weekend,
Yeah.
Thursday.
That's why, perhaps.
Probably comes to life on the weekend.
Good morning.
Everything-
People are
everything-
waving.
Everything changed during COVID, you know.
Uh-huh.
And the impact of it, good or bad. We can go see if the vegetarian restaurant is open. I came by yesterday and they said they were opening today.
Plant Base, it was called.
Yeah. I didn't think we were coming back this way,
No,
but here we
It's
are.
like right there, but I think it's early for a restaurant.
There's cars.
Okay. See, there it is, Plant Base Cafe.
We'll take it. Well, how fun is that?